So now we will see animations in CSS. So guys, basically an animation lets an element gradually change from one style to another style, and this we are going to check with the help of examples as well. You can change as many CSS properties as you want and as many times you want. So guys, basically in order to use the CSS animation, you must first specify some keyframes for the animation. So what are these keyframes? So guys, basically the keyframes hold what styles the element will have at certain times, and the styles will transition from one particular style to another style for the element that we are going to select. So guys, let us check the examples of the animation. So first of all, we will see @keyframes keyword that we can use in the CSS file over here. So guys, let us move to the VS Code in this case, and let me just remove the previous lines of code that we had written in the HTML and the CSS files over here. Now guys, what we are going to do is simply we will have the div tag over here, and we are going to create a square box out of this div tag. So guys, over here in the style.css file, simply we are going to provide certain CSS properties to this div tag. So let us say we have the width of 100 pixels over here, also the height of 100 pixels in this case, and let's say we have the background color of aqua over here. So guys, basically we have a div tag which is a square box with the background color that is aqua. So guys, let me just save these files now, and let us see how it looks like on the web browser. So as you can see, this is the square box that we have included on our HTML page. Now guys, let us have the border as well. So over here we will have the border CSS property with 2 pixels width, and the border type as solid, and the border color will be black in this case. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So we have the border for the square box over here. Now guys, let us say we want to move the square box from left hand side to somewhere over here at the middle of the screen. So how we can do that? So guys, basically we can use the animation, that is with the help of keyframes keyword, in order to animate the square box and move from one position to another. So guys, let us check that as well. So over here what we have to do is, first of all we will have to use the character, and then we need to use the keyframes over here. So guys, basically this is the keyframes keyword that will be used in order to provide the animations in CSS. Now guys, after this keyframe we need to provide certain name to the animation. So let us say we provide the animate name over here, and then after this, inside the curly braces, we need to define the animation inside the from and to keywords. So guys, let us say we want to move from left to right over here. So simply we can use the left CSS property in order to mention the position of the box. So guys, over here first of all we need to define the position equal to relative property, so that we can use the left CSS property over here. So inside the from keyword we need to first define the left, it is equal to 0 pixels over here, and then guys, after this we have something called as to keyword. So over here we can simply provide the left as 300 pixels. So guys, basically what exactly is happening over here is the initial position of this particular div should be left equal to 0 pixels, and then it should move to the left, which must be equal to 300 pixels. Now guys, we need to link this animation name, that is animate, with this div tag over here. So simply I am going to copy this animate name, and then inside the div tag we need to use the animation name CSS property. So guys, basically we need to provide the animation name CSS property. The value must be equal to the value that we have provided for this keyframes over here. So we have provided the animate as the value for the animation name, and apart from this we also have to set the animation duration over here. So let's say we want to move this box within 2 seconds. So simply we can provide the value as 2 seconds over here. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So when we reload, as you can see, the box is moving from left to right over here. So guys, in this way we can simply provide certain animations that we have seen over here with the help of the keyframes keyword. Now guys, apart from this, you can also use the percentages instead of from and to keyword, which is the starting and the ending position. So instead of from, we can provide 0%, which is the starting position, and instead of to keyword we can provide 100%, that is the ending position of the box over here. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, there is no change in the animation. The box is still moving from left to right over here. Now guys, apart from this, since we have provided the percentages, we can also provide the 50% or any other number that we want to provide. So let's say for the first 50%, we want to move from left to right over here. So we have provided 50% in this case, and then we want to define the 100% as well, in which case we want to move the box from top to bottom over here, somewhere at the center of the screen. So guys, what we will do is, instead of 50% over here, we will provide 100%. So from 0 to 50%, the box is moving from left to right, and then for the 100%, we want the top CSS property to be provided. So guys, over here simply we can provide the top CSS property, and let's say we want 200 pixels value from the top. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the box is coming from left to right, but guys, it is not going from top to bottom properly. So let us define the top property for the 0% and the 50% parameters as well. So over here, the top CSS property must be 0, and for the 50% as well, the top CSS property must be 0 in this case. Now let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the box is now moving from left to right, and then it is going from top to bottom over here. So guys, in this way we have completed this particular animation as well. Let us complete the entire cycle. Let's say now we want the box to move from left to right, and then from right to bottom, and then from bottom back to the original position over here. So guys, what we have to do is, we need to make this as 33% over here, and then the next step will be 66%, and then the last step should be 100% in this case, for which the box should come at the original position over here. So guys, simply we will define this particular position for the 100% as well. So I'm going to copy this same line of code over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, it is coming from left to right, and then going from top to bottom, and then from bottom to top as well, at the top left position over here. So guys, in this way we have completed the animation. We can also increase the duration to, let's say, 4 seconds over here, so that the speed of the animation is little bit slow. So as you can see, this is the animation that you can do with the help of the keyframes keyword over here. Now guys, there are some more CSS properties that you can use. We have already used the animation name and the animation duration over here. We can also provide the animation delay in this case. So guys, basically what is the meaning of animation delay over here? So let us check that as well. So when we provide the animation delay of, let's say, 2 seconds, so there will be a delay of 2 seconds first of all, after which the animation will start based on the CSS properties that we have defined inside this particular block of code. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, there will be delay of 2 seconds, after which the box has started to move over here. So guys, in this way you can use the animation delay as well. Apart from this, we also have the animation iteration count, which will help us in order to repeat the animation. So guys, by default the animation iteration is just 1 count over here, so we can make it as 2 count as well. So the animation will occur twice. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser over here. So as you can see, after the delay, the animation has started. So it has completed 1 round over here, but since we have given the count of 2, it is completing the 2 rounds over here, after which it will stop itself. So guys, basically you can also use the iteration count as infinite in order to continue the animation on the web browser. Let us comment out the delay part over here so that we can instantly see the animation in action. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, the animation has started and it will continue infinitely until and unless you close the page or you want to change the animation iteration count CSS property. So guys, in this way you can use the animation iteration count as well. Apart from this, we also have animation direction. So guys, basically this is the default direction that the box is moving over here. So guys, we can also define the direction of the animation. So let's say we provide the animation direction in this case. Now guys, what are the values? The normal is the default value over here, but when we provide the reverse value, the animation will be in the reverse direction. So let me just provide the reverse direction over here and let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the animation is in reverse direction now. First it is moving over here at the bottom direction, and then to the top over here, and then followed by to the left direction in this case, which is the reverse direction over here. Apart from this, we also have the alternate value as well. So first it will go in the normal direction, and then in the second iteration the box will move to the reverse direction, and then followed by the normal direction and then reverse direction, and so on the alternate directions will be used. So guys, let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So this is the normal direction of the box that is moving, and then it is moving in the reverse direction right now based on the animation direction that we have provided over here with the value as alternate. Now guys, apart from this, we also have something called as animation timing function. So guys, let us check that as well. So basically it will define the speed of the box that is moving over here. So guys, we can use this animation timing function over here, and by default, and we can provide the speed as linear in this case, which means the speed will be same throughout the animation. So let me just save this file now. If you notice, currently the speed is decreasing when it is moving towards the end of the animation over here, but when we provide the linear timing function over here, the speed will be same throughout the animation. So let me just reload this page once again. So as you can see, the speed is linear over here, and it is not increasing or decreasing at the end or at the start of the animation. So guys, these are some of the animation CSS properties that you can use. Apart from this, we also have something called as animation field mode, which can help us in order to define the status at the start or at the end of the animation. So guys, I'll leave this CSS property as a homework for you so that you can practice on your own. We can also decrease the line of code over here, since the 0% and the 100% is having the same CSS properties and the values as well. So simply I'm going to remove this 100% from here, and then we will provide comma after the 0% and provide 100% in this case, which means the 0% and the 100% state is going to have the same value over here. Let me just provide the animation direction as normal in this case. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. So as you can see, this is the original animation that we have provided, and with 0% and 100% that is having the same CSS properties over here. Now guys, apart from this, while this box is moving, we can change the background color of the box as well. So let's say initially we have the background color as aqua color over here, and then at the 33% state we want the color to be blue color. So simply we will provide the background color as blue color over here at the 33% state, and then for the 66% state, let's say we have the color as yellow over here. So guys, basically we are changing the background colors as well as the box is moving based on the different status of the animations. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, from aqua the box is changing its color to blue color, and then when the box is moving down, the color is changed to yellow color over here. So guys, in this way we can change the background color or any other CSS properties based on your requirements while you are providing the animations in CSS. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is loading animation in CSS. So stay tuned.